So, hello everybody. In today's class, we are looking at inheritance in Python. There is a previous class that we did, and this is the second part of that particular topic. Like I said in the first video, inheritance has to do with two classes, where you have two classes, and one class is the parent class and the other class is the child class. So let's go over to our IDE. In this tutorial, I'm using IDE PyCharm. So let's create a file, new Python file. So I can call it class2. And the first thing we have to do is to create the parent class. So we can create a class vehicle. So this is the parent class, and inside it we have the init function. So part of the properties that a vehicle can have is can have a name and it can have a color. So the init class is used to initialize the properties of the class. So in this class we have a name and also color properties. So we can say self.name equals to name, and we can say self.color equals to color. So let's create a method in our class. So we can say def that's pack, and every method must have self as the first parameter. So we can say print self dot name is packed. So we are done with the parent class. So let's create our child class. We create our child class here. So we can say child, we can have a child class vehicle. So class vehicle, and in this class we can create the init class for the child class. So we can say dev.init. Then in this init method, we can add all the properties that we have in the parent class, that is the name and the color, name and color. And we can add additional property, let's say mileage. And what we do now is we have to call the parent the init method of the parent class. So what you have to do is there is a keyword known as super. So super help us to have is referring to the parent class. So we can say super function dot init. So what you do is inside this init function you just add the properties of the parent class, name and color, and now we can initialize the additional properties, that is mileage, that we have in the child class. So we can say self dot mileage equals to mileage. So we are done with our child class. So what we do is now we can now create an object from the child class. So we can call it let's call it just anything. So we can say car1 equals to car, and we can say Benz. And we also need color. We can say red, and also we need mileage. So we can say 45,000. So red, it has to be a string, and this is a number. So let's see, this child this object of the child class have access to the name property. In the parent class, it has access to pack, the pack method. It has access to the color and also has access to the property in the child class mileage. So let's just look at accessing the pack class from the parent. So car1.pack. So let's run our file. Okay, this is the error is coming from here. So let's run it once more again. Benz is pack. So we can create another object. We can call it car2. Car2 equals to car. We can say Toyota, and we can give it the color of blue. And a mileage of 20,000. So we can now say car2 dots accessing the color. We can say okay, let's access the pack method, car2.pack. We can also print out the color. We can say print car2 dots mileage. So let's run our code. We can see Toyota is packed and 20,000. So that's all for this video. Please like and click the subscribe button. Thank you.